What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today, and thank you for tuning in to the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. I think 402 FloraGreene is a perfect summer fertilizer for all of us with cool season turf that wants to keep up with routine feedings and not stress out the turf more than it already is. Now, as you can see, at least because it's a little bit out of focus back there, the color looks really good. It's holding up its color really well. I do have some Dallas grass and some crabgrass, which you can see some of these back up here. See some of these dead areas here that I've already started killing off, digging up, just to keep it, just to start getting ready. I'm gonna do that little by little. But overall, it's doing pretty good. It has had some heat stress. I've had some fungus, no dead droughts, nothing with drought because I've been watering routinely at 1.5 inches per week. So it's gotten plenty of water. So overall, it's doing really good, but I also attribute that to routine spoon feedings of 402 FloraGreene. Now here on the channel recently, you've seen a lot of videos on 402 FloraGreene and using it for your trees, your shrubs, your flowers, ornamentals, your vegetable gardens, and all those kind of things, because that's what it's meant for. If you look at any sort of plant fertilizer, it is low doses of nitrogen because it's not the same as turf. However, 402 FloraGreene, while that is sort of its primary use, it is a wonderful fertilizer for the summertime cool season turf. You can also apply it in the warm season turf if you'd like, but you can get away with pushing a little bit more with your warm season grass types. But especially with cool season turf, it's perfect because you're only applying it at 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, which here in a second, I'm gonna show you, it's really low pounds on the ground. So to figure out how many pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet we're putting down with a liquid fertilizer, you need to know a few numbers, okay? And these numbers work with any liquid fertilizer that you use, all right? So first you need to know what is the size, the actual jug that you have of the fertilizer. So I have a 1 gallon jug. They also come in 2.5 gallon jugs. And you need to know how many pounds of actual weight is in that gallon or that size jug. I have 9.7 pounds. Well, how do I know that? It's on the actual jug itself, okay? And I'll show you that here. Now you need to know how many ounces are in 1 gallon of product. So 128 ounces are in 1 gallon of product. Simple enough, easy enough. Awesome, moving on. What you're gonna do is, we're gonna try to figure out how much weight does each ounce of liquid product weigh. So you're gonna take 9.7 pounds, divide that by 128 ounces, and you're gonna get 0.076, or rounding up to 0.08 pounds per ounce. So you got that 0.08 pounds per ounce. I put ounces there because I wasn't paying attention, but it's not ounces. 0.08 pounds per 1 ounce of product. All right, now the recommended application rate for 402 FloraGreene for lawns is 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Because you are dealing with such a low number of nitrogen, a low amount of nitrogen, you can dial that up more. You can even dial that down a little more if you want to, but I'm gonna go with the recommended 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, okay? You're gonna take that by your number up here that you just applied, or you just figured out. So 9 ounces times 0.08 pounds equals 0.72, or almost 3/4 of pounds of weight per 9 ounces. So per application, you're applying 0.72 pounds of actual product of 402 FloraGreene. Now, how do you figure out how many pounds of N? Well, you have your numbers now, which I'm gonna give it away here. We know it's 4% nitrogen, so 0.04 times how many pounds of actual product per 9 ounces is 0.72. That equals 0.028, or 0.03. So we are applying 0.03 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So it's a very, very tiny amount, a spoon feeding of nitrogen, but it's gonna keep your lawn going. As you can see, you are applying very little, 0.03 pounds per 1,000 square feet of nitrogen using 402 FloraGreene on your turf, which is perfect because you're not pushing a bunch of growth, but you're giving it its routine feeding with the 4% nitrogen, 2% potash. You have some sulfur, you have 1.5% iron, you have the soil goodies with your humic acid and your cold water kelp. And if you're applying 402 FloraGreene in conjunction with a biostim pack, which has 002 microgreen, which also has iron, you're gonna have a nice color response applying this at that rate. So you're gonna keep the color going, you're gonna keep it alive, you're gonna keep it healthy. So that way in the fall, when the temperature starts to lower, and the cool season grass types start to thrive again, it's gonna look fantastic. Just in case anyone asks, I did apply it on the strip as well. I actually did that off camera. I did that yesterday, but we're not talking about the strip right now because it is a wreck. I did not apply it pre-emergent, so there's tons of crabgrass on here. I mean, I'll go ahead and show you quick. Like, all that is crabgrass. Like I said, did not apply pre-emergent because I wanted to put seed down in the spring, which I did. The strip has been my nemesis this year, but we're also working on that here in the fall as well. So I'm not too frustrated. I'm not too upset about it, but so yeah, that's it. Pretty easy to spray. Pretty simple calculation. As you can see, if you're applying it at the recommended dose of 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet, you're putting down 0.03 pounds of nitrogen. So you're not gonna push a whole bunch of growth, but you are gonna get a nice color response with the iron in there, and the iron and the microgreen, because I did apply the biostim pack as well. I'll have to do that on my channel. But yeah, so pretty simple stuff. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below with any questions. I'm gonna try to do a better job of answering questions on our videos. We've kind of been busy and a lot of stuff going on, so we're gonna get better at answering those questions that you have. So yeah, please ask those down below, but I will see you all later. Come check out my channel, Dadding All Day, if you want to. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.